know we're not stopping to pick up any hitchhikers. It took 7 months to get to this place, and I gotta pay. Come on already, I want to get a picture of Earth to send home.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Oh. Rick, did you know there's no phone or internet service here?
Yes, dear.
Well, my God, I gotta upload YouTube videos. We're gonna have to move to the next closest planet.
Hi, I'm Rick,
And I'm Sharon.
and we are Cargo On.
Cargo Conversion Building Camp. Come check out our YouTube channel. Ew. Did you fart? Rick. Oh, God, that's disgusting. Oh, my God, roll down a window or something. You're going to kill me in here.
No, I can't open the window. You'll get sucked out by the vacuum of space.
Fine. Then you're not eating no more chili. My God, Rick, you're always forgetting to pack something on these trips. Watch out, there's an asteroid. Jeez. Do you want me to drive? Rick, I just don't understand why we have to drive so stinking far so you can get a beer. My God, give it up already. After a drive like that, I need to take some me time. I'm gonna go relax. Oh, now I feel better. Oh, who's your new little friend?
Do you hear some construction noise over there on the other side of the planet? Maybe we're going to get new neighbors.
Oh my God, go see, maybe it's Elon. But I hope it's not that Jeff, I don't know, that Amazon guy. If you like this YouTube Shorts video, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, Cargo On Cargo Conversion Building Camp. We have over 100 videos and we upload weekly, so come check us out.
Our videos are out of this world.
Oh my God, I gotta get my hair done. Gotta get rid of these grays. I gotta look pretty. Maybe that might be Elon moving in. Oh, I hope it's Elon. I hope it's Elon. Elon, I love you, baby.
Sharon,
What?
are you in love with another man?
No, I don't love him in that way. Geez, I'm 61 years old. I'm old enough to be his mother. I love him in a nerd way. So what you think, Elon, baby? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, Rick! Elon might be buying Twitter. I gotta learn how to tweet. Do you know how to tweet?